Pipay? Pipay na? Happy na? She said, thank you, Mama. And this is Shige. My beautiful Shige. Pretty, di ba? And this is Jo. Anak ni Shige. Kamukha niya. This is Moon. And this is my beshi. Came from one of my friend, Ate She. And this is the last one. Siliit, pero malaki. Happy? What is this? Naubos na yun, turok-turok na naman. Oh. Yan. Kailangan na naman nila ng turok. Mangal pala. Thank you po for watching and subscribe my YouTube for full version kung paano ko sila pinaliguan. Silang 5. Oh my God. You see? I love it. Thank you.